So, today I'm going to be telling you how to duplicate infinite items in Tears of the Kingdom. First, you will need a shield, any shield, preferably an unfused one. Any weapon will work. You want to have an egg, 2. Once you have 2 eggs, you need to get 2 steering sticks, 2. So, you need to go to the abandoned central mine. So I'm just going to do the transition now. Once I'm there, I'm going to show you what you need. So, next, you need to have mineral summon and drop the unfused shield on the ground. Then press X, R and plus immediately after each other. And then you want to watch 2 memories. I have a video on this. You should watch that if you're wondering. This is cold fuse. And then you want to drop down a steering stick. And the second mineral go on the fuse. And when mineral returns to his knob, with perfect timing, you want to press ZL. This takes a while sometimes. You can't. Okay, so if it doesn't work, you can just move over there. So yeah, when mineral returns, there's an orb in the fuse menu. Use. Right, so I've got it to work now. So, you want to lift this up into the air, high, and drop it. Then, you want to recall, then immediately control and switch shields to something else. Or to no shield also works. Then, you want to fuse that then you want to get on Minoru and fuse that steering stick to the back. And then, go on Ultra Hand. If you disappear when Minoru returns, you've done this correctly. So you want to jump just before Minoru returns, and on the almost exact frame, you want to hold one of your 2 eggs. This can take a while. So once it cracks, once the egg cracks, when it falls, you want to you'll get an invisible egg. You want to drop it here, exactly. Then you want to hold an egg and hold 4 of the item you want to dupe. You should see this, right? I'm using fairies for this example. Hold ZL, hold R, jump, and just before landing, hold up and throw anything. Then you want to press plus, then press X and A to change the amount of items you're holding, like this. And then this should appear, more should appear. you just want to spam A. If you disappear, wait a bit. If you don't reappear, press minor, press plus. If you can't press plus, you're going to have to restart the entire thing. Sorry, but that's, yeah. Then you want to save and load if you can't, if you don't reappear. But in this example, I don't disappear. So once you want to change what you want to duplicate, you just start holding that item instead. So I'm doing this with rubies. So as you can see, you'll get more of the old item, but yeah, you just repeat. Yeah. So, as you can see, so it's pretty quick. You see, I've already got like 100 rubies. When I started actually, I've used this a lot before. It's good. So, once you're done duplicating, just fast travel anywhere. Okay, it's really simple. Once you're done, just fast travel. So, once you finish fast traveling, you'll notice if you hold ZL, this is kind of funny, you just slide around, kind of. Yeah. Anyway, you want to stop holding the egg if you want to fix this. It'll probably still stay. So what you can do is pull out your bow, which usually just gets rid of this. So that's it for today. I hope you find this tutorial useful, and bye.